We had buildings in the past where some of my predecessors said it was a rec center. In the eyes of Mayor Scott, that's not a rec center. If it does not have a gym in it, it is not a recreation center. And that's why we are here now committing ourselves to making sure that we build the type of facilities that our communities have always deserved.
So I think about this investment, and a couple weeks ago, we was down at Chick Webb, we was over at Henrietta Lacks Park, we was up there in Gardenville, and now we're right here at Bocek. The reason why this is special, because when I look at our lived experiences, we know what's at stake. You see, when I think about these young folks, they don't get to choose which zip code that they grow up in. They don't get to choose their parents or how much resources that they have, but it's our job as adults to make sure that they're competitive, not just on a city level, Leon, but across the globe from that standpoint. And that's what I see when we make sure that we're investing in our respective rec centers.
In our conversations, as we talked about the $641 million that this city received in American Rescue Plan Act funding, what the mayor never wavered on was equity. And making sure that Baltimore City residents had an opportunity to see and feel ARPA. We did not want $641 million to be spent, but we wanted those dollars to be invested. And we wanted to make sure that community members had things that they could see and know that ARPA was the reason for some of those facilities.